Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best jogging strollers that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Bob Gear. The new Revolution Flex has more storage and a much more comfortable cockpit for your child. The seat is made with compression padding, thus, your baby won't cry as you run another mile. Meanwhile, our tester enjoyed the new zip pouch on the canopy's top, which was large enough to hold her iPhone and kept it close at hand. The Flex 3.0's front wheel is connected to the fork so that you no need to worry about fast wheels. The large spikes on the wheels made it difficult to install a bike pump to the valves, which was our only complaint. Because of their durability, unique suspension system, and a lengthy list of convenient features, BOBs are the favorite of running parents. The Revo Flex 3.0 includes all of the features that runners expect from a BOB jogging stroller. Its main selling qualities are adjustable handlebar, ideal for runners of all heights, mountain bike-style suspension system, smooth steering, huge tires for any terrain, a lightweight, robust aluminum frame. The Flex is compatible with various infant car seats, allowing you to use it from the moment your baby is born. The underbelly storage is spacious enough to accommodate all of your belongings, whether you're out for a run or a day at the park. At number 4. Graco. Another nice feature is that the stroller stands upright when folded. All available is a multi-position reclining seat, a height-adjustable handle, bigger tires, and a travel system option with an infant car seat. The seat rotates 360 degrees to continue to take it all in, and it can be changed to 3 different heights to allow them to move around while they develop. It's fantastic for getting them to move, activating their senses, and, most importantly, having fun. For each and every jump the baby is rewarded with music, lights, and fascinating sounds. There's something interesting to do wherever your baby explorer looks. It is made mostly of plastic and metal and it is simple to clean. Any Graco baby car seat can be attached to this stroller with a safe, one-step installation. This will make it suitable for smaller kids as a regular, daily stroller. A smartphone dock for convenient phone access and a concealed storage box for snacks and small objects like keys and a hand towel are included on the parent tray. Although this stroller is simple to fold, it is quite large and will take up so much space in your room. At number 3. Baby Trend. The Baby Trend is the best choice if you are searching for budget-friendly jogger strollers. The Baby Trend Expedition is not like most jogging strollers, costing only a few $100s. It has wide tires and a swiveling front wheel for easy maneuverability. A large underseat storage basket, a toddler tray, and a parent tray are excellent bonus amenities for such a low-cost stroller. While the Expedition handles well on flat roads since it lacks the shocks and sling-style seat required to absorb any bumps, it's excellent for a quick workout session or a day spent outside with your child. It also has a smaller maximum height and weight. This jogging stroller includes wide bicycle wheels or a front, rotating wheel that can be freed for casual street use and has a 50-pound weight restriction. It also includes an adult tray with 2 cup holders, a storage box for any necessary items, and a child tray with a cup holder where they may play with toys or eat snacks. This running stroller comes in 3 colors, pink, red, and yellow. At number 2. Thule. The Urban Glide 2 is a stylish, versatile jogging stroller that can handle urban and off-road terrain. Large rear wheels, as well as all suspension, ensure a smooth ride. The handlebar twisting brake makes it easy to maintain control of the stroller's direction, particularly on downhill terrain. There's also a one-handed folding and compact storage, 2 unique features that many other jogging strollers lack. While Thule also offers the Chariot Cross 2-wheel kit. It also makes more traditional running strollers. The Glide 2 is a lightweight, sleek model that you'll see record-breaker riding. However, not everyone is looking for Guinness World Records, so the Urban Glide 2 better needs to meet our needs by combining the model's performance with everyday utility. If you get caught in the rain while jogging, the weatherproof covering on the undercarriage storage basket is wonderful, but it can be difficult to get your diaper bag in and out of. At number 1. Bob Gear. This Bob Gear Rambler jogging stroller is one of our top selections because it is created to make work easier and your little one's ride more comfortable. It is designed for both short and long-distance runners. It comes with a suspension system, 12-inch air-filled tires, and a 5-point seatbelt to keep kids secure. The reclining seat is padded with airflow to keep your youngster comfortable on hot days, and there includes a large UPF 50+ shade canopy. This is BOB's most affordable jogging stroller, making it more accessible to more parents, and our top-rated jogging stroller. This Rambler running stroller has some features featured on other BOB models, such as bump-absorbing shocks, a large canopy, and one-handed reclining adjustment. Despite its modest size, it will serve your family until your kid is old enough to ride a bicycle. We were also impressed by the spacious luggage basket underneath, which allowed us to pick up a bag of goods at the end of a jog, despite its modest size. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.